Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see right here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So if in your case this list is kind of short just like mine, and if you don't want to enter some advanced options, then you can remove them here just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see you can manually one by one remove them. But if in your case this list is so wide and you want to remove everything, I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything, I want to remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or even all time. So after picking it, just tap on clear data, and as you can see the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.